Hope you're all doing really well. This is Tanmaya Goswami. I live in Gurgaon and I am the founder of Fashion Business Consulting and a certified career counselor. Well, recently post COVID, the fashion industry is going through a tough time. Both professionals and businesses are struggling. Professionals are struggling to find the right opportunities. The businesses are struggling to hire the right people. When I work with fashion businesses, they want people who are very efficient and agile. And that's only possible when you have people working on their strengths. They really know what they're supposed to be doing. They're really interested and self-motivated. Now, that doesn't happen when you are just into a role and trying to do a job. Because I have worked in the industry for more than 2.5 decades. And I know most of the people have struggled in the industry only because they have just got into a role and they are not doing well and they're not even living their full potential. So of course there is no growth. I was lucky after NIFT that I got into merchandising instead of design, and the core skills required was business acumen and customer understanding. That's what helped me actually grow. But this has happened with most of the people. So when I went and I thought about, what if I can help fashion graduates and professionals get the right opportunity for themselves by mentoring them, by counseling them, by helping them find what are the right roles around their strengths. So when I spoke to them during idea evaluation, what I recognized is that most of them are not even thinking like this. Most of them are thinking for just a job, just an opportunity. And more worse, they are waiting for placement cells to kind of revert back, or waiting from college placement areas who are going to tell them what are the opportunities in the industry. That means they don't have an outreach strategy. They are not really putting themselves out confidently. They are really dependent on other people. That's when I decided that, this is the need of the hour. I know companies want the right people. I know people are interested to work. All that they need is more specified direction and guidance, which I thought I can really offer them, because I understand the different roles and responsibilities and the outcome for every role and responsibility in the industry, and also understand the different profiles that would be best suited to them. So if I can actually help them understand through assessments their strengths, they would be able to get into a position, a role, which is going to help them grow, thrive, and that's going to help the businesses grow as well. This is what I feel is going to be a win-win for both the fashion businesses and professionals who are working in the industry. And that's what my vision is, to help this industry get better, get stronger, and get more efficient. Thanks a lot for listening to this vision and idea, and I hope I get the support from the NSRCL team to make this dream a reality. Thank you.